factor the polynomial completely. 4r squared plus 10rt plus 25t squared. We might try to pull out a greatest common factor first, but we notice that there isn't one. The second thing we might try is to see if this factors as a binomial squared. In other words, is this a perfect square trinomial? We see a leading term that's a perfect square and a last term that's a perfect square, so let's check that. 4r squared comes from 2r times itself, or 2r quantity squared. 25t squared is 5t times itself, or 5t quantity squared. It's a plus sign. Now let's see if this middle term checks. Is it a positive 2 times 2r times 5t? Well, a product here would give a 4r times 5t or a 20rt. So that doesn't work. This middle term doesn't check out. It's not a perfect square trinomial. So let's just try to factor it using trial and error. Actually, you know what? I think I'll try that try grouping method. That may get us there a little bit quicker. Let's look at this outer product. 4 times 25 is 100. Now, are there any factors of 100 that sum to 10? Well, you might try 1 in 100 or 2 times 50, but we notice that these sums are way too large. Bringing this all the way down to, say, 10 times 10, the smallest our sum is ever going to be for factors of 100 is 20. So we've exhausted all of our possibilities. This trinomial 4r squared plus 10rt plus 25t squared is in fact prime.